First, check that your safety is on to avoid the hammer firing during disassembly. Depress the action release and rack the gun to clear the chamber until all shells are ejected. Double check for any shells in the tube by pushing down on the lifter. What you'll need: a toothbrush, steel brush is optional, a bore brush that matches your shotgun gauge, lots of small cleaning patches, an old t-shirt or soft rag, gun cleaning solvent and oil. I prefer Rem over others for the lack of smell. Unscrew the magazine cap and be careful to hold it down. Sometimes the spring can fly out. Pull the forearm back and pull the barrel forward. Depress the lifter and pushing on the two action bars and wiggle the forearm out. Sometimes it can be a little finicky. Note the bolt and carrier coming out. You hardly ever have to take the magazine tube out. Same goes for the trigger assembly. If you want to take it out, go for it. You can use a punch to punch these two pins out. But I'm going to skip these for now. Spray gun solvent inside the exposed parts and wait 15 seconds for the solvent to dissolve and build up. Use the brush to free the grime and a solvent sprayed cloth to wipe off and remove the residue buildup. I usually only use the steel brush if any buildup is being extremely stubborn or the gun hasn't been cleaned in a long time. As was the case with the bolt. Clean all remaining parts in a similar fashion. Start with solvent, but make sure to remove all of it before cleaning with oil, as it can eat away at the oil. Wipe down any of the excess oil as well, as it might hinder some movement of parts, but if you're storing it, you can leave a little bit of excess. To clean the barrel, spray solvent on the cleaning patches and wrap them around the bore cleaner. Start from the breech side and push through to the muzzle and then back again. Repeat a few times and replace patches until they come out with little to no dirt. I like to do a little run of oil inside the barrel if I'm storing the gun for a while. The inside should look mirror clean with no blemishes. Attach the metal backplate in the grooves of the forearm. It only fits one way, which is kind of nice. And then the bolt goes on top, and make sure this is oriented the right direction. Press in the levers again while slowly moving down the action. Sometimes it can be finicky. Reattach the barrel, and then screw on the magazine cap. Spray a little oil on the bolt and rack a few times to spread the oil to the moving parts of the gun. Wipe down the exterior one last time with a light coat of oil. Try not to leave any fingerprints on the metal if storing for long periods of time, as they can eat away at the oil. Mighty clean.